Hello everyone, I hope you're keeping safe, I hope you're keeping well. It's great to hear so many positive messages about how you are keeping up, how you're engaging with your learning, whether that's remotely or whether you are one of the few people who are still in school. And I know it's a different way of working, and it's not easy. But we seem to be coping and we seem to be adapting, which as humans, that's what we do. And most importantly, we are all trying our best and we're all persevering. Now, I love the opportunities that we have to gather as a school community. And although we can't do that in school at the moment, obviously, I've recorded this assembly for you as the next best thing. So on the next slide, you will find out what our theme is for this week. So here they are, our Aspire values. Not that you need reminding of what they are, of course, because we live them all the time. And by living these Thomas Harding values, they reflect who we are. And within these values, we believe that that's what we need in order to be able to succeed, not just in school, but also in the wider world and within our community as well. So we have aspiration, that ability to dream big and strive. We can all aspire and achieve. Success. When we work hard, we experience individual and personal success, and that feels good. Pride. Pride in who we are and what we do, and pride in our community, and pride to have high expectations of ourselves and of others. Integrity, the ability to be open and honest and having the ability to trust people and expect trust back from others, but also to have self-respect. Resilience. And finally, equality. Being proud of our diverse culture and our diverse community, and accepting that we're all valued regardless of our background. You may have noticed that I missed out resilience, and that's because today's assembly is about resilience. Just remind yourself by reflecting quietly for a minute, or jotting down some notes, or you can even talk to someone at home if you like. What is resilience? So what answers did you get? You're more than welcome to post them back to me if you like. You may have said things like the ability to recover from a difficulty, or overcoming a barrier, or having the skills and the tools to overcome difficulties. You might have mentioned toughness, or the ability to bounce back. So I've chosen the value of resilience because that's the relevant value to draw upon based on what we're experiencing right now. The situation we find ourselves in, with schools being closed and learning from home and working in a different way, is something we've experienced before. And the experience will all be different for all of us. But I got thinking, can we gain something from this experience if we have been here before? If we experience something and then we experience it again, does it make that experience easier? You can discuss this with someone at home, or you can just think about it or write down some notes. If you like, you can reply. How is our experience of what's happening in the world now similar or different to the experience we had last year when we were in the same situation? Again, you could discuss this with someone at home, or you can reflect, take some notes, or you can reply. I wonder if this experience has made us stronger. What strategies have you developed to show your resilience this time round? So you may have said things like, this won't last forever, and we know that we'll overcome this. because we've been here before. This situation is beyond our control, but we can reframe our thinking, making our thoughts more positive. That way we can overcome our fears. We could solve problems and we can share our experiences of problem solving together. We can share them in the form of stories and tell each other stories about how we've been resilient and overcome difficulties before. And we can also draw upon stories of others who have overcome difficulties and struggles before as well. Over the next few slides, there are some quotes about how we learn from our experiences that will help us to become more resilient. I'd like you to discuss these quotes. What do you think they mean? You can talk about them with someone in your family, or you could take some notes, reflect in your head, or you can respond in writing to me if you like. The key message today, Thomas Harding, is that we are resilient and we can keep building our resilience. We have been in this situation before, and we know that taking the time, understanding the situation, and coming through the other side will make us stronger people. We have the strategies to overcome this. We've done it before, and together we can do it again. So here is my final thought. Read through the quote. Is this you? Is this you sometimes? Or is this something that you need to work on? So remember, resilience, it's the ability to recover from something that's difficult, being tough, being able to bounce back, or to overcome a barrier and have the skills and the strategies that you might need to overcome some difficulties. Thank you for joining in with me. I hope to see you all again soon. Keep well and look after yourselves. Bye.